In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF. This is a quick and reliable way to keep a clean record of any discussion, whether you're documenting research, saving instructions, or preserving a helpful exchange for later reference. Start by opening the specific conversation you want to save. Make sure you're in the right thread and can see the messages you want included. It helps to skim the chat for a moment so you're confident everything you need is right there on the screen. When you're ready, go to the message box at the bottom of that same conversation. Now, simply ask for what you want in plain language. Type something like, "Can you make a PDF file of this conversation?" You don't need special formatting or a complicated command. A natural, straightforward request works well. The key is that you're making the request from within the conversation you want to capture, so the transcript reflects the full back and forth in the correct order. After you send the request, give it a moment. ChatGPT will prepare a transcript of the conversation and generate a PDF for you. You'll see a file or a clear download option appear right in the chat once it's ready. This transcript-style PDF typically includes the messages in sequence, so it's easy to follow later and share with others if needed. If the chat is long, it may take a bit more time to compile, which is normal. Just keep the conversation open until you see the download option. When the PDF is available, click it to download. Your device or browser will handle the save process automatically, placing the file in your usual downloads location. Once the download finishes, you have a complete, portable copy of the conversation that you can open, store, or share. The benefit of using a PDF is that it preserves the layout and content exactly as compiled, making it dependable for archiving and reference. That's the entire workflow. Open the conversation you want, ask ChatGPT to make a PDF of it, then click to download the file when it appears. It's simple, consistent, and keeps your notes organized without extra tools. If you're working on multiple projects, repeating this process for each relevant chat is a great way to build a clean library of resources you can access anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having your conversations saved neatly as PDFs.